Alright, so whenever it says to graph and locate, okay, we want to do the foci, we want to do everything. Okay, so first things first, we know here because it's just x squared plus y squared on top, okay, it's equal to 1, so everything's good to go there. So again, we need a center, we're going to need a vertex, or vertices, covertex, and then foci. So remember, your center, you only have one value. Vertex, you're going to have 2. Covertices, you're going to have 2. And foci, you're going to have 2. So my center, obviously, since nothing has changed, since we're not moving it, there's just x squared and a y squared on top, it's just going to be a center of 0, 0. Now, it's completely up to you as far as when you do this. If you just want to go ahead and graph your points as you go, I wouldn't be opposed to that. So from there, 9 is your a squared, 4 is your b squared. So we need to know where everything goes. So 9 is with, so the bigger number is with your x. So is it going to be long or is it going to be tall? It's going to be long. Okay? So the first thing I need to do, I need to take a squared equal to 9. What's a equal to? Plus or minus 3, right? So that means from that value, from that 0, 0, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go 3 to the right, 3 to the left. So that's the long side. So where are my 2 vertices at? At -3, 0, and at 3, 0. I'm going to do the same thing with b, but now I'm going to go b squared equals 4, so b is equal to 2. Remember, b goes with, in this case, my y value. Now, it's not just positive 2, but it should be plus or minus 2. So then from there, I'm going to go from my center, I'm going to go up 2, I'm going to go down 2. So where are my covertices at? At 0, -2, and 0, 2. Now, once you have that, you can draw if you want. It's completely up to you. I'll have my ellipse. Now, the last 2 things that I have to have are my focus point, okay, on the left and on the right in this case. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 9, okay, or the a squared. So I'm going to have c squared equals 9 minus 4. Okay, all I did was just take these 2 values and just subtract them. So I have c squared equals 5, so c is equal to the square root of 5, plus or minus. So since it's a long ellipse, since it's horizontal, I'm just going to have a focus or foci of negative square root of 5, 0, and square root of 5, 0. Now, if it was vertical, then it would just be 0, negative square root of 5, and 0, square root of 5. Okay? So all these points really just say, so that's about 2.2 or something close to that. So I would just have a point here and a point there. Okay? Is all that would happen.